All right, let's talk about something we all do. Something you've probably done 1,000 times without a second thought. Why in the world is yawning so contagious? Okay, be honest. Just reading that, did it make you yawn? Or maybe you just felt the urge to yawn. If it did, don't worry, you're not going crazy. That's exactly what we're digging into today. I mean, it happens to all of us, right? You're sitting in a meeting, you're on the train, maybe just watching a movie. Somebody across the room yawns, and then boom, you're fighting one off yourself. Well, that's not just a coincidence. It's a super fascinating quirk of how our brains are wired. And it's not just a feeling, This is a real, hardwired response. Your brain sees someone yawn, and it's like a little switch just flips. It wants to run the exact same program, completely automatically. It's an involuntary reaction. So this whole idea of your brain just taking over, it's not just some random thing. Scientists actually have a specific name for it, and it really perfectly captures what's going on in that split second. It's called automatic imitation. And really, the name says it all, right? Automatic and imitation. You don't consciously decide, hey, that person yawned, I think I'll yawn too. Nope, it happens so fast that it completely bypasses the decision-making part of your brain. Your brain just does it. Seriously, this is the perfect way to think about it. For certain social cues, your brain just takes the wheel. It's running a pre-installed program without even asking your permission. It's kind of like breathing, You can control it if you really focus on it, but 99% of the time, it's just happening in the background, on autopilot.
Okay, so we've got the what. It's automatic imitation. But the big question is, why? Why would our brains be built to copy a yawn of all things? Well, scientists have a couple of really compelling theories about that.
The two main ideas boil down to either connection or alertness. First, you've got the empathy theory. This suggests your brain mirrors the yawn to literally try and feel what the other person is feeling. Tiredness, boredom, you name it. It's a sign of connection. Then there's the group alertness theory, which is more about survival. The idea here is that a yawn acts like a signal to get the whole group on the same page, syncing up everyone's level of awareness. Now, get this. This whole contagious yawning thing isn't just some weird modern human quirk. The roots of this go way, way back. We're talking deep evolutionary history here, which suggests it plays a pretty fundamental role in how social animals bond with each other. I mean, look at this. It is so not just a human thing. Chimpanzees do it, your dog at home probably does it. Even some species of birds have been shown to catch yawns. The fact that this behavior crosses species lines is a huge clue. It tells us this is a really, really old and deeply ingrained signal for how social groups connect and function. All right, so let's pull all of these different threads together. We've got the automatic brain stuff, the social theories, the evolutionary history. What's the bottom line? It really breaks down into three simple layers. First, at the very core, you've got your brain wiring, that automatic imitation we talked about. The reason for that wiring is the next layer, social connection, which is driven by empathy and keeping the group in sync. And all of that rests on a foundation of deep evolution. This is an ancient signal that's been around forever. So there you have it. It's not just one thing. A contagious yawn is this beautiful, kind of complex mix of involuntary biology, social psychology, and evolutionary history, all wrapped up in one simple, everyday action. So the next time you catch a yawn from someone, just think about what's really happening. It might not just be a sign that you're tired. It could actually be a sign of connection, a tiny, ancient biological echo telling you that you're part of the group.